Want to fix Ghost Touch issues on your iPhone without losing any data? The first thing you want to do is force restart your device by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button, pressing and quickly releasing the volume down button, then pressing and holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it reboots, you want to open up your settings, then tap General. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select the option of Reset. Here select Reset All Settings to clear any misconfigured options without erasing your content. If that doesn't fix your issue, you want to open Settings again, then select General. Now tap on Software Update. Then install any available iOS version. For a deeper repair without data loss, connect your iPhone to a computer, launch Tenorshare Re-iBoot, select Standard Repair, download the firmware and start the process to refresh your system files. If ghost touches continue after these steps, schedule a visit to Apple Store for a hardware inspection and potential screen replacement. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.